It is 12/21 year 2020 and Merry Christmas to all of you. Here is the news. We came smashing down pre-market this morning. Dow futures were down 660 points and they were. As we said, the markets are overvalued as they are. And one of the things that we would like to make very clear is that this market with the new coronavirus that is circulating, unfortunately, 70 times faster, you can catch it, all kinds of issues, and locking down the UK and many other things that are going on behind the scene, where markets do not act favorably, particularly when they're overbought at times. The Dow caught a bid when it tested the 10 and the 20-day simple moving averages on the first pass on the Dow. So, just to give you an idea, the low on the Dow was 29,755 and the high 30,159. The close it at 30,216.4, and it had been in the negative for most of the day. And we do all understand about algorithms and how they run the market and how the machines run the market. So they took this horrible news, which is very true, among other things, that stocks were already fully valued for this part of this Christmas rally, as people would call it, and whatnot. But it's not the kind of rally that we like. We like to see more of the humans buying the market and not machine driven market where the algos just keep pumping everything up and whatnot. So the idea of the fact that stocks are overbought, this is a seasonality point, and there is going to be extreme volatility ahead.
Order cancelled.
And that volatility could come in very quickly. And today was a test of this rally as far as testing moving averages and whatnot, but very algo driven in the futures market that also help stocks recover and whatnot. But we are given a warning about future volatility and about selling into the rally and ringing the cash register. You get rich by doing that. Dow Jones Composite update. We have the beginning of a reversal, and we tested the moving averages. We dipped below them, and then we rebounded, and we did. And there could be a lot more problems in the future because of the fact that the volatility works both ways. We've had the upside volatility, and I can tell you the market will not escape this downside volatility. It is around the corner, and it is coming. And once again, Merry Christmas to all of you. Remember, you can't go broke by taking a profit, selling stocks that are overvalued, understanding that this is the moment right now. But we're very close. You got this
Order
little
cancelled.
Christmas thing going. But the problem is volatility is coming. And we've seen that
Order cancelled.
volatility today. We've seen the fear indicators really pop, and they did. And they popped on the fears of this coronavirus and the new virus. You can catch it 70 times faster. I already know that that is happening in the U.S., and it is. You can just tell that the COVID cases in the U.S. are way higher than what they could be with just this regular COVID. That's just my personal opinion based on the numbers of infections and whatnot. And just the thought of having another new strain, which we knew and was talked about a couple of months ago, but the government doesn't want to panic people, and they don't. And the fact of it is real. And just be careful, everyone, to the highest degree that you can be. Don't take anything for granted. Enjoy your Christmas day with your family, and that you know that everyone is safe. And we'll deal with overvalued markets in the period of profit taking should be part of this volatility that I'm talking about here in the future. So, for the Dow Jones update index, the flight to quality is always what? Sell. So, once again, there was more selling than buying as far as the up volume, down volume goes. So, once again, there is the Dow on the daily recap, and the Dow was down 660 points early on in the futures this morning. And that's because markets were really super, super overbought, and they were. Equities are extremely overbought as they are. So, once again, we'll just take a look as we move forward as to what will happen and what will not happen. And one of the things that we do want people to understand is sell into the rally. Okay, the Dow was up here at just on Friday. They hit that and they pumped that to 3,043, and today's low 29,755. And yes, the algorithms could work for a while. But I tell you what, once those algorithms decide to tick and sell those bids down on these overvalued equities, and we have a lot of them that did it today, that should act the way that they did in normal trading ranges, by the way. Conclusion on the Dow.